So hello and welcome to this video. In this quick video I'm going to show you how you can create a star rating in Notion database. So currently I have this page where I am going to record books, and currently I have two book names, and then I have a star rating. So for creating a star rating you have to click on a plus button, then from here select, right? Even you can search for icon for a star, and you can select star, and then from for add option, adding option you required emoji. I search on internet that star emoji, and from here I copied it, right? I copy back here, I add option, paste a single, enter, then paste a double, enter, paste a triple, then paste 4 times, then paste 5 times, right? And in this way we can create a star rating. And for example I'm going to select this, or this book is this, and more importantly you can also change its color. And again for select and go edit property, and from here you can also modify the background color. You can see it automatically select yellow, and you can modify color as per your requirement. Thank you for watching. See you in another video.